Here's how you blend sounds together to read a word. When you see a letter, make it sound. A. T. Now say both sounds. At. At. A little faster. At. At. Now a little faster. At. At. Now say the sounds together, starting from the left and moving to the right. Ready? At. At. One more time. At. Now let's add one more sound. At. At. Now blend the sounds together, starting from the left and moving to the right. Mat. Mat. One more time. Mat. You read mat. Let's read more words. Remember to blend the sounds of the letters as you read. Mat. Sat. Rat. Bat. Cat. Pat. One more time. Mat. Sat. Rat. Bat. Cat. Pat. If you want to practice some more, do this again.